Hi, I'm going to show you how to log in to a remote desktop environment via a web browser for the Cosmos HPC cluster as part of the course Connect and File Transfer as given by NICE. I walk through this course material and then let's see what we're going to do. So I see in the learning outcomes we're going to practice to using the documentation of your HPC center. So that is LUNARC for Cosmos. So we'll take a look at that. We're going to find out what a remote desktop environment is, what's meant by this, and we're going to log into it, and that is the hardest part here. So a remote desktop environment, what is it? Well, it looks like this. It's a desktop environment, like I have a desktop environment. This is Ubuntu. It's a desktop environment. Yeah, let's go back to the website. There we are. But it's remote. It's Cosmos. So it's not at your place. It's not local. It's remote. Why would you want to log into there? Well, if you really need graphics, you should log into this environment. There's another type of environment. Desktop environments are more visual. Some applications really need this graphical environment, especially graphical programs. Why would you use a web browser to log in? Well, because you already have installed one, probably. For example, this is already run in a web browser. Alright, we're going to log in to Cosmos using a web browser. Let's take a look what we need to do. Exercises, videos, how difficult will it be? Where is the documentation of your HPC cluster? Sure, this is Cosmos. Cosmos is here. I'm going to put it already in this tab. Let's take a look. Go to the documentation for HPC Center. I just did that and answer the question. Find a page about how to log into HPC clusters remote desktop environment using a web browser. Good. I go just search in here and then I already see that I need to do it. Sure. This is it. The LUNARC documentation. Let's see if I can find desktop. Desktop. Well, first hit seems good. Scroll. This is like an application. We're going to do that. We're going to use a web browser. Here it is. I need to click on this link. Let's click it. Alright, so now I need to have my Cosmos user. I don't know that thing by heart. But I can check. Just blink away. Cat bin login Cosmos. Alright, it's Richel. Sure, Richel. My login. There. Let's see if it works. Sure, Pocket Pass. We can do that. Let's take a look where I have this. So we need your two-factor authenticator app now. And look for the Pocket Pass. What do you call two-factor authentication thing? One-time password. 630414170. There. And now I am on Cosmos' remote desktop. I need to click an environment. Sure, I click on start. Sure, I read this. And let's take a look. There we are. There we are on Cosmos remote desktop environment using a web browser. This is great. Let's take a look. Where's the terminal? We probably need that thing. To programming, internet, graphics, education. There's a lot of good stuff here. Text editor. All right. Well, I don't need to look here. I'm going to close this thing there because I have just showed you how to log in to the desktop environment of Cosmos via a web browser. I did that as part of this course, Connect and File Transfer, as given by NICE. And with that, I wish you a very good day. Bye.